Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to invite more readers or custom readers to your blog. First of all, go to the settings, scroll down, and then go to the permissions option. Here is the permission, and here the last one is the invite more readers. Okay, let's say here you can put one emails or one to 10 emails. Let's say is then I can add more emails. When you add the emails, then click on send option. When you send these options, here is the pending customer invite. You can check these email on the here. Here is email invited. Here is email invited 22. Okay, and then just click on save. Now the invitation has been sent to their emails. We can check the emails. Like let me check which account is today. Okay, let open the email. Here is the invitation, and I click on the emails, accept invitation. This is the invitation. Check after 2 days it will be expired. Now accept the invitation. Accepted. View blog. Here you can see this is the blog, and we have got the access from the custom reader send email invitations. I hope you can understand this. Thank you so much.